Hello everyone, this is Sumaiya Khatun. Today's my topic is sigma bond, pi bond and molecular orbital theory. Now I am going to represent my presentation. At this first, sigma bond and pi bond. Sigma and pi bond are type of covalent bond that differ in the overlapping of atomic orbitals. What is sigma bond and what is pi bond? At first sigma bond, the axial overlapping of atomic orbital. Pi bond, the parallel overlapping of atomic orbital is called pi bond. How possible combination of atomic orbital of sigma bond and pi bond? At first sigma bond, it is head-to-head overlap. So S orbital, sp orbital, pp orbital to form sigma bond. But only pp orbital is formed pi bond. Bond energy and bond length of sigma bond and pi bond. At first sigma bond is high, overlapping orbitals are close. Thus, bond length is smaller. On the other hand, pi bond is less, overlapping orbitals are away. Thus, bond length is greater. In this case, sigma bond is stronger bond than pi bond. Characteristic of sigma bond. Sigma bond are stronger bond. It is high energy. It can exist independently. On the other hand, pi bond are weaker bond. It is lower energy and it cannot exist independently. Molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory is a method for describing the electronic structure of molecules using quantum mechanics. For example, molecular orbital of oxygen atom. Two oxygen atoms are formed to oxygen molecule. The formation of oxygen molecule to oxygen atom come close and their atomic orbital overlap to make molecular orbital. In this case, 1s orbital is inertial orbital. So they are far from each other and overlap is not possible. This makes non-bonding situation. 2s orbital overlap to create sigma 2s and sigma 2s orbital, then 2p orbital to create sigma 2pz, sigma star 2pz, where 2px, 2py orbital. This orbital lateral overlapping pi 2px, pi 2py, pi star 2px, pi star 2py orbital. Number of electrons in oxygen molecule 16 electron. These electrons are fill up higher energy level to lower. Thus, electronic configuration of oxygen molecule sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, pi star 2px1, pi star 2py1. Thank you.